For those managing daily medication, keeping pills organized and on schedule can be stressful and confusing. We introduce PillBot. An automatic pill dispenser designed to make retrieving medication simple and reliable. Control and navigate the UI using the joystick via the LCD screen. Our mechanical design uses a sweeper arm to ensure only one pill gets dropped per revolution. The system is powered by a stepper motor connected to a driver for high precision. It's built on a foundation of 3D printed mechanical parts. The entire platform is powered by a wall adapter and managed by the Arduino Uno R3, making the solution stable, reliable, and easily reproducible. PillBot is a reliable, low-cost system that puts accurate medication management back in your hands. PillBot brings simplicity to the most essential daily task.